Hi, for our learning management system at my school, we use Schoology. This is the second year we've used it, and the kids are pretty familiar with it. Um, this is currently what I have in my classroom. We go by day, and then within each day, we have the subject. It makes it a little easier. Um, at this point, but transitioning to blended learning, I would change out the days of the week with the subjects. So instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I would have reading, phonics, science, math, and reading groups for math centers. And within, if I clicked on Monday, I would then, or not Monday, but it would be, for example, reading or phonics, and then you see Unit 1 parts of speech. So this would be where the independent units are. When kids are done with Unit 1, I could have Unit 2 here. So if you're on Unit 1, then I click on Unit 1 and I have Lesson 1. So all the lessons will be here. So Lesson 1 will be a must do. It's a link to it. I don't actually have it linked because it's not ready for the students to use, but I would have it linked so they can click it and it would open up a new tab. Then when they're done, they can go back, click I'm done, and this is where they will have the should do and aspire to do. The reason why I put this on a separate slide than the must do was because it will take away the feelings of some students who might get overwhelmed or stressed to see must do, should do, aspire to do when they only might get the must do done. And then when they click I'm done, maybe they don't get to these, and that's okay. They would go back to the unit and they would go on to lesson 2. I liked having each folder because I think it separates it. It's not overwhelming to see all must-dos for all lessons, and it also ensures that students will stay in order. They won't accidentally skip a lesson.